Hey guys! Do you want to download Microsoft Office Pack? Before start this video, like and subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Let's start. Come to your browser and search Office Deployment Tool. Open first link. Now scroll down and press download. Now you can see it is downloading. Now search Office Configuration. Open the fast link. If your PC 32-bit, then select it. My PC is 64-bit, so I select this. Now select Office Suites. I want to download 2019 Office Pack. If you want to download another pack, you can do. Now scroll and select language, and you don't need to fill this. I select English language. Do this all next. You don't need to fill this. Just press next. Press on Finish. Now press on Export. Click OK. Now allow this and press Export. Now it is downloading. After download, open this file. Create a folder. Keep your folder name Office 2019. If you don't put your folder name like this, command will be not work. Now put your to downloaded files into your created file. Now run this program. Select the created folder. After back from the folder, cut this folder and paste this into your local disk. After this, open your command port. You will find this to command in my video description. Paste the first command into your command port. Press Enter. Then copy the second code and paste it. Press Enter. Now it will be installed in your PC. Now check it. You can see it is working. Subscribe for more videos.